This meeting, I can say this is fantastic. Why? Because first time in my life I met so many clients in one place.
It's a good chance to see all our customers, as I said, face to face. It's also good to put the face to the name.
This gives us the opportunity to meet existing customers, but also to find new partners.
To my mind, BearingNet meeting is the best opportunity to find them.
It's really for us the opportunity to make some new contacts and to have some and to reinforce already some networks that we already have.
With this manufacturing showcase, what was happening was that you could have a forum where all these people were talking, the bearing distributors were talking to each other.
Distributors here from all sides of the planet, from all locations, and it's just a perfect opportunity to meet with them all in one place.
Networking, opportunities and fun.
Efficient, quick and professional.
Worth the effort.
To be collaborative, informal, friendly.